Hi guys, welcome to AJAWI TV where we discuss architecture and construction related topics. I'm your co-host for today, Kerr.
And I'm Jay.
You're AJAWI.
I'm AJAWI.
So today we are headed to the State and Parish Council to pick up an approved drawing for one of our returning residents. So join us for the journey. How long did this approval take?
They said 90 working days.
And when did you submit?
When did we submit? I think it was September. Yeah, September.
And it's now February.
Yeah. It did take the 90 working days, as they said. So working days Monday to Friday. Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Let's see if we get it back in good condition. Because the other day we went to a parish council in Kingston. We now call the parish council name.
There's only one. There's only one.
We don't know about that. We don't know that. I'm just saying. We went to a parish council in Kingston and we got back a set of drawing in a deplorable condition. And also we never get back one none at all.
Yeah, they lost one of them.
They lost the drawing. That drawing was approved a long time ago. We've been waiting on them to release the drawing to us, only to find out that it was lost, or we went to pick it up, then nobody can find it. So we'll see if we get back this set in a good condition. I know a couple of parish councils, they actually give you back drawings in really good condition and actually well in a presentable way, right? So not all parish councils are like that, but right now it's like a luck type of situation, because those drawings that they lost, I'm not call the parish council name, but the parish council is in Kingston, right? Those drawings were submitted from 2023 and it's now 2025 and we still can't get the drawing back in hand, right? And not me alone, you have other people who submit their drawings and them can't get it back. So yeah.
But I guess that's why they didn't call, because they couldn't find it.
Yeah, well.
So they can't call if it's somewhere.
No, but we have been calling them.
Yeah, and they keep saying, oh, it's going to the meeting.
Yeah, it's going to meeting, or it's with the department to be released. Them just prepare a letter. I'll know the letter can't prepare. I'll know the drawing can't be found. So I'm gonna have to now figure out. Them not even would tell you what the next step is, if we need to resubmit it or do over the whole application altogether. But yeah, it's a disgrace, to be honest.
Yeah, but there are some parish councils that we visited before that where they, like for example, Trelawney Parish Council.
Yeah,
they
Trelawney Parish Council
in a wrapped package, like we order something, like we buy something
from Amazon
and they put it in this brown package, neatly wrapped up.
Yeah.
And the submittal didn't take that long either.
Yeah, they were on time as well. With the one in Kingston, as I said, is 3 years the drawing they down there. No, like 2 years. 2 years. And we still can't get it back in hand. I don't know, like it's not approved, it's approved. It's just that they don't have a system. I don't call the parish council name. Nobody come say say Ray. But when you go down there, you see drawing all over the place, drawing pan wrong, drawing pan. It's like them don't have a proper system in place to file the drawings, and But I'm just talking from what I observe. Right? Nobody come blacklist me because I will be saying. I'm just speaking about what I see. Right? I need to work on that immediately.
It could also be a situation where, because a lot of people are building in Kingston, that they're overwhelmed.
No, but this is government.
Or their system is overwhelmed.
No, but this is government. They're supposed to be able to manage, no matter the amount. Remember, you know, that you pay them for, you know? And that you pay them to do. So, you're not supposed to have problems with that. And then worse, it's a scenario where the person that even they're here and you are do the work. You are the work to make sure that the person from overseas get what they need to get. So they're gonna be frustrated. Most times them think of me, you know, like if there's
we are the problem.
yeah, like you are the problem. That's why I tell everybody will come to me. I don't have no control over the parish council, not at all, and I don't want any. Right? I can't make your drawing go through parish council faster or slower. Once it is submitted, all I have to do is wait until them return it or them approve it and it's ready for you. So I don't as a matter of fact, at some of the parish council I actually know people that work there, and every time I go there I join the line. I don't ask for no special treatment. I don't ask them to push through drawing for me. All I do is go and I join the line just like everybody else, and I move through the process. Right? So don't have no control over it. But yeah, it's disgusting, man. You know which parish council nice to? Maypen. When Maypen came about, yeah, them parish council, them even laminate the notice for you.
Okay.
Yeah. Like you get it well packaged and you get them laminate the notice where you're supposed to put on the site. Yeah, when you go to Maypen Parish Council, you actually get back your drawings well packaged and them actually laminate the notice for construction and give it to you. Right? And them actually call you, because once it was approved, them call me. And even when it needed like a document, right? They asked me for additional document. And themselves, we just send it to them via Tara and they will get it. When the person go there, them ask the person, the contact person that they told me to send it to, and they were able to hand it over to them, and the person trying to just go through the system easy. So the parish council will give the most problem. We're supposed to be most modern because it is in the capital. Now call a name, it seemingly has the most issue when it comes on to building application.
Yeah.
Or the issue with them process, right? That is even if they all have process in place. But yeah.
Also, when you call,
anytime you call, geez,
you won't get through. Well, I've gone through maybe 3 times.
Once or
out
twice.
Of 100. 3 out of 100 times.
No, but another that. You ever see the Google reviews for them? Go and check out the Google reviews for them. Yeah. People are talk about. No, one particular person was like, this parish council is a great parish council and they have been nice and they helped me out. And since I've gone there, and this particular person has always been helpful and kind, and I get in and out very quickly because this person always helps. That's a friend and company thing. Links.
That's one review.
Yeah, that's one person. But even so, the one person is basically illustrating that you need links to get things done. It shouldn't be like that. So
the fact that they're picking up that one person.
Yeah. Out of many. Yeah, all the time when you go there and them call somebody from downstairs, I call upstairs and can't get nobody.
Yeah, because when I call, the receptionist is trying to get a department and the department not answering. Every time she's saying, do you want to call back? Do you want to call back?
Or when you go there and say, nobody know did it. You can't wait 5 minutes and then see when you say them attack. Nobody know did it. Me don't know. And like somebody they on duty and it's like you have to beg them like Somebody called downstairs, upstairs. It seemed like I beg the person I beg. But
But it's the only system that you can go through to get your applications approved. So that's why we deal with it for you. We deal with the stress.
yeah.
So that you don't have to deal with that stress.
No, but more time, most of them don't really realize, they just get the drawing and I realize some of the stress when I go through sometimes.
No, that's why we take the stress from them.
Yeah. No, but some people don't really even business.
They don't notice.
Yeah. Or they start frowning when it comes on to payment. It becomes, annoying to me because I have to deal with all of this stress and then it comes down to you not wanting to pay. That's gonna cause a problem.
But it's just a matter of us showing them that, hey, this is what we're doing, this is what we're going through.
Yeah, but I shouldn't need
with
to
these different agencies for you.
Yeah, but if you pay me to get the thing done for you, because obviously you can't do it yourself, because it's gonna cause a problem, you shouldn't have a problem paying people when it comes on time to their bill, or you hold them at ransom, right? Don't a lot of people think say when people coming back from overseas and they don't get trouble either. There are people who are come back from overseas who get trouble too, right? Like once them get some people, like once they give them your drawing, them start a long story, or them don't want to pay on time, or them want to hold on from part of your money and all kind of thing. We'll go through that a lot, all of the time. But for those that actually see the value and appreciate it, big up to you, right? You have some clients who, I've had a client who say, yo, Dre, make sure you tell me when you need your money, because I know say there's a lot of things that you're doing and I appreciate it. And she even cussed me one at the time and say, yo, you don't like ask for your money. Ask for your money. I will pay you. Make sure you get your money. Right? So for those times I really appreciate those people. But trust me, the system in Jamaica is not the best, but it is not the worst. Right? Don't get me wrong, I'm not bashing Jamaica, because anywhere you're going in the world, you're gonna have problems. But
yeah,
if you don't point it out at some point, it will never change. Right? It will never change. So I do hope this video reach the right person. Even though me not call the name, me not call the parish council name, so if we go on parish council, nobody can say I that you there. Say this about our parish council and the people that work at the parish council. Me never call the parish council name, sir. Alright? Don't want nobody go put me join them for file 13. But yeah, if you don't talk, there's no way that people are going to change. So best just speak up and let your voice be heard. That's my view. Alright?
Yeah.
But anyways, we are taking you along with us to collect this drawing, this approval. Took 90 days as they indicated. We were able to call and get them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did call and check up on the drawing. As soon as the drawing was approved, the client got a call, and the client is not in Jamaica. The client was called to be informed that his drawing was approved. We actually call and get information that it was approved and that it will take maximum of 14 working days to get a letter. So normally when your drawing is approved, it would be stamped and signed, but then a letter has to be prepared for it, right? So you'll get back your drawing with a letter outlining the conditions of the approval. It will also tell you what you should do once you're doing construction, right? From a approval perspective, right? So like you can't just go build, even though you have the approval, you're not going to just build all willy-nilly. There are like inspections, so that letter will tell you when to actually request the different inspections, right? So that is the letter that I'm talking about. So let me say it take 14 working days. It did take that, so now we are going to pick it up now and then hand it over to the client, and then they can take it from there. All right, so stay tuned. So we got back our drawings. They're not in the best condition, but they're in a good condition. Alright. Not like the other locations, but they're not in a bad condition. Right? We got back 3 sets. I'm surprised though, because normally I only get back 2. So a Saint Anne gave back 3 sets. 3 sets out of the 4, so kind of surprised. That's good, because then you can give it to the different people that's dealing with, and you actually get one to keep for yourself. Because one would go to the contractor, the clients should keep, and then the other one, I'm assuming, could go to the quantity surveyor. Got the approval collected and ready to hand over to the client. Right. So the process now completed. The client can now go ahead and build and know that everything is well planned. Right?
Yeah.
If you're looking to come back to Jamaica and want a team that actually put together a proper set of drawing for you, right? Reach out to our team and we'll be happy to help you to execute your project. If it is that you like our videos and you want to support the channel, check out our Amazon store. Link will be in the description. And also hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we make videos just like this one. We want to give you wholesome content that you can actually use along your journey to actually help you, right? So we're trying not to give you generic content. We want to give you quality content. So this is a channel if you're returning to Jamaica and you're looking to build your dream home. All right, peace out. See you next time.